Okay, it says here, you take the first layer of plastic off this thing, it says it's going to expand. First of all, let's just notice it. This thing will need to expand a good 2.5 to 2 feet in width. I didn't think it was going to expand in width. We'll see. I didn't know it was going to be all mattress in a box either. I thought it would be a standard mattress. But it's not. It's okay. It's some kind of mattress in a box. It expands. Okay. Well, it's a lot of plastic. Okay, it keeps on rolling. Okay, like I said, I already have a box thing or two. They're set. Okay. Here, there's it. I may not be good. Definitely having trouble getting it out of this plastic. There we go. Thank you. Much trouble. I'm trying to get all this plastic off of there. Okay. Next step. I see. The whole thing was folded in half. So, imagine then, got to flip it around 90 degrees. Look, 90 degrees out of it. See the tag. Should be on this side, at the top of the mattress. The right way, I do it like this. Okay? Boom. That's how you do it. Now, it's starting to look like a mattress. It's already leaking air though. Already leaking air. It says, the next step, step 4, come over here. Step 4, carefully cut open the clear plastic bag along the edges. The mattress instantly begins to decompress. Remove and recycle the bag. There's step 4. So we got 1, was done by UPS. It was already falling out of the box. 2, really just unroll the plastic. Then unroll the bed. Now cut at the seams. Okay. Cut at the seams. Got my scissors. See the seam. Let me check. Oh. Boom. Here we go. Boom. Well. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. Instantly expanded. Pretty instant. That was fairly instantaneous. Now, I guess you can flip the mattress up just like a regular mattress. But now it's in a bag. You know what? Being in a bag is not a bad thing. It's a free bag. I mean, it's a free mattress protector from the cats. You know, that may be my best bet here in cat protection. Just keep this bag on top of it. Matter of fact, may make a bunch of noise when I'm sitting on it, but it seems like heavy-duty plastic. Let's put my sheets on top of this. Very comfortable. Certainly is comfortable. Beats the shit out of the floor.